In this video, we're going to be looking at question 4 from the 2022 paper 1 for further maths GCSE. So it's asking us to find the value of tan squared of 30. Now, some people might know tan 30 straight off the top of their head. I don't, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to work it out. Now, the way you can do this is by drawing yourself an equilateral triangle with side lengths 2. Now, what we know from this is all our angles inside are going to be 60. Now, if we drop a line down here, straight down, we're going to create a right angle. Now, if we drop a line straight down there, it's going to mean that both of these sides are going to be 1. I'll just remove that 2 to get rid of the confusion. So we're going to end up with a right angle triangle with angle inside of 60. This one is going to therefore be 30. And we've got a base length of 1 and a hypotenuse of 2. So we know that tan of an angle, let's call it x, is the opposite over adjacent. Now in this case, if we're looking at tan 30, we can ignore the 60 there. This side is going to be the hypotenuse, this side is going to be the opposite, and this side is going to be the adjacent. But we don't have the adjacent. So what we can do is, if we've got a right angle triangle, we've got 2 of the sides, we're looking for the third, we can use Pythagoras' theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Our hypotenuse is c, so it's going to be 4. We don't know one of our other 2 lengths. We'll just call that b for the minute. But we do know the other one. So that is 1 squared. So if we rearrange that, a squared equals 3. So a is going to be root 3. So this side in here is going to be root 3. So now we can do the opposite divided by the adjacent. The opposite divided by the adjacent. So tan 30 is going to be 1 over root 3. But here it's asking you for tan squared of 30, which basically means we're going to square that value. So we'll square the top. 1 squared is 1. Square the bottom. The square of root 3 is going to be positive 3. And we're going to get tan squared 30 being 1/3. Now in part B, it's just asking you to sketch the cos graph between 0 and 360. So cos starts at 1. It's going to go through 90, down to 180 at -1, back up to 270, and then back to where we started at 360, because it has a period of 360. So it's a curve going through these points. And there we go, we've plotted it.